What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Tonight I am going to show you what I'm going to do with this hair since it's stretched. And I wasn't going to, I was going to go to bed, not go to bed, but get ready for bed and relax without doing this. But I know some of you are, when you see the straight hair, you're going to be like, what did you do to preserve it? What did you do to preserve it? So I'm not an expert at this, but I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna do the same thing I did. I just had these little clips holding this back. I'm gonna do the same thing I did to get it like this. I'm basically going to just divide it in two. Okay. I'm not going to put it still feels pretty good, so I'm not going to put any moisture on it right now. Get that out of the way. I'm not going to put any moisture on it right now. And I wasn't going to comb it out because I want the waves to kind of stay there. So yeah, I don't think I got my comb just in case I was going to, but I think I'm just going to finger through it like this to get any snags that could be in there out, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I don't want to put anything on it because I don't want it to revert yet. So basically, I'm just going to start French braiding, and that's how I'm going to preserve it. I'm going to put it in another French braid. A lot of people may think this is manipulation, but to me it's better than having my hair revert while I'm sleeping or get real bushy on the ends and then I have to add heat to it. This is going to keep me from having to add heat. So basically I'm just putting a French braid right down this side. And guys, the battery is getting ready to go. So if it goes, just know I'm going to do the same thing on this side and put my lap cap on and sleep. And if I have somewhere to go tomorrow, I'll take it down and wear it like I did today, or wear it just down without it being clipped back in the front. And if I don't have anywhere to go tomorrow, I'm going to leave these braids in until I do, and that'll help the wave set in more. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just going to finish braiding it down, and I'm going to at least try to get this side done before the battery goes, because my other battery is downstairs. So basically, I'm gonna braid it all the way to the end, like so. And you can twist the end if you want to. It doesn't matter really, because then I'm gonna take my satin little things here, and I'm gonna start up high, and I'm just going to bring it all the way down the length. And then I'm going to tuck that end like that. And I'm gonna do this same side like that. And then I'm going to put my little cap on. You can put this on, or you can put a bonnet on and go to sleep. And that's all I'm going to do. So that's how I'm gonna preserve it. And of course, if my hair felt dry, I would add some moisture. I would do a lightweight moisturizer, maybe just on the ends, just to give it a little bit moisture, and that's it. So to me, this is low manipulation, because if I don't go anywhere, it just stays like this and I don't have to do nothing to it. and it kept my ends straight. So you guys, that's it. Easy peasy. I don't do a whole lot to my hair. I try to keep it simple. Simple, simple, simple. And then just tuck it. Get it there. And that's how I'm asleep. All right, guys, that's it. Easy peasy. Wash my face, and I'm gonna get ready for bed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them then. But I hope this answers your questions as to how I'm gonna keep this hair straight for the next couple days. All right, see you in the next video. Bye, guys.